In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track pipeline health in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you want a quick, reliable pulse on how your sales pipeline is performing, this workflow will give you exactly that. We'll build a simple conversion report that shows how many deals are moving through your pipeline and how many end up open, won, or lost within a time frame you care about. Start in Pipedrive and head to Insights from the left sidebar. Insights is your reporting home base, and it's designed to answer questions like, how healthy is my pipeline right now? Once you're in, click Create at the top left and choose Report. This opens a fresh report canvas so we can define exactly what we want to track. Set the entity to deal and the report type to conversion. Using conversion is key because pipeline health is essentially about movement and outcomes, how many deals are making progress, and where they end up. With that in place, add your filters. Pick a date range that matches your review cycle, this week, this month, last quarter, or a custom span. Then make sure the statuses included are open, won, and lost. Including all three gives you a complete picture: what's currently active, what you've successfully closed, and where you're losing momentum. If you manage multiple pipelines or teams, you can also refine by those within the same filter panel to keep the view relevant. Now, set the measure to number of deals. Counting deals is a straightforward way to compare periods and spot changes in volume and outcomes without price or currency skewing the story. If you're curious about value later, you can always switch measures, but for health checks, deal count keeps it simple and clean. At this point, your report should immediately populate. You'll see how deals convert across stages and how they land as open, won, or lost within your chosen time frame. Look for balance here. A healthy pipeline shows a steady flow of opens and a respectable share of wins, with losses that are visible but not overwhelming. Sudden drops in open deals or spikes in lost ones can signal a slowdown or a process issue worth investigating. When you're happy with the view, click Save at the top right and give it a clear name like Pipeline Health. This makes it easy to revisit regularly and keep your team aligned on what matters. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've built a reliable, repeatable way to track pipeline health in Pipedrive and spot trends before they become problems.